What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have the new, as per requested, Jordan 2/3, Jordan 2/3, whatever you want to call it, white, black, and sail. They have the white and red colorway, but I saw Chris's video, shout outs to Nightwing Wear Testers, my favorite YouTuber. I've been watching him for like 12, 13 years. He's the only guy I've consistently watched for over a decade. Shout outs to him. But point being, they did look pretty fresh, and I had somebody in my comments say, man, I'm not big for hybrids, but you should check those out. I said, funny enough, I have them on the way. So we're going to check these out and see what's what, because I'm interested. Stay tuned. So, hybrid box. Jordan 3 base, Jordan 2 top. The Jumpman logo, 23 paper. Put it right here. And they look better than the 2s do alone. I recently got the UNC low top 2s. Yeah, got the sail in black on the polyurethane midsole with the visible air unit in the heel, encapsulated air in the toe box. Leather's decent. It's not as stiff as the UNC 2s. That's a stiffer leather than this. Got the lizard scale print, that kind of plasticky coating. It's like a harder polyurethane coating. This white, black, and sail colorway is clean. Gotta say, got the Jordan wings on the tongue. They are fresh. These are definitely fresher than the 2s by themselves. Not fresher than the 3s. The 3s are on a different level, you know what I mean? So let's pull these out. We got Nike Air branding on the insole, which is kind of weird, but doesn't matter. It's under your foot. You're not even going to notice it. And the insole seems to be wanting to glue in because it's that cheap foam crap. It's the green cheap stuff. You can feel, you can hear it, the adhesive wanting to stick. So I'm not going to bother changing them out. I mean, it kind of is what it is. Polyurethane's nice and dense as per usual. If you're looking for, you know, incredible stepping comfort, these never really were that. I mean, they're more comfortable as far as 3 midsoles and air sole setups and everything are more comfortable than like the 6s. The 6s are bricks. I love the 6s, but there's something else. I mean, I'm literally wearing anthracite 5s right now, speaking of, which are nice and broken in. These have some decent stepping comfort, what they are, but these are clean. I gotta say, we got the sole. This is rubber. This is not part of the polyurethane. If it is, it's really, no, that's rubber. So it says Nike. It's kind of weird. It's got the Nike branding for something unoriginal, but I've had some B-roll throughout on these, but I think the most important thing we could do right here is put these on feet and see what they look like, because I'm feeling these. I'm not one for the hybrids typically either. I know a lot of people aren't, but this might be the cleanest looking hybrid shoe they've ever done as far as blending 2 signature line numbered Jordans together. It's almost like it was meant to be. Don't get me wrong, I love the 2s, I love the 3s, but put them together, dope.